Hi.
In Africa, N-word is banned. Yes, to white people.
Sorry?
Dengue.
No.
In Africa what?
No. N-word is banned. Yes.
Yes.
N-word.
No. In Africa, N-word is not banned.
No.
It is in Asia
From the
and
mouth
Europe.
of white people.
Oh, from the
Yeah.
Say N-word.
No problem, man.
Nigga, nigga.
Yeah, I'm a nigga, man. What? Let's sing nigga song.
No. Here, nigga is so allowed.
Here, how do you call nigga? How do you call nigga in Nepal?
Kale, Hapsi, durbar.
Nice. For us in Africa,
Nigga.
the nigga word.
Negro.
See, listen. In Africa, negro word is like bro. In Nepal here, you tell him bro, right?
No, we say, oh, bye.
Oh, bye.
Yeah,
Bye.
yeah.
Die. What is die?
I mean big brother, I mean
Big
small
brother.
brother.
Okay, you call me die, right?
No, I mean bhaichara, brotherhood.